Hey, hi. Hi, team. Welcome back to the another session. So we are discussing about Tosca previously asked the question and answers. So this is a series of lectures we will do from the scratch. In previous class, we have discussed about question number 10 to or question number 1 to 10. Now we will discuss about 11 to 20. Let us start. The first question is, in your project, what type of license you have used? So previously I have discussed that is a continuation of this one. If you doesn't watch, I will put the link. Please go and watch it first, then come here. Okay. The question is, in your project, what type of license you have used? Previously, we have seen a couple of types of licenses, right? Now, in your project, what type of license you have used? Either the cloud host licensed server or any other kind of licenses. So you need to answer, if an interviewer has asked this question, you need to clearly answer them. In our project, we have used cloud host licensed server and we got username and password from the client and we have provided that. Make sure that you have told to the interviewer that we have used cloud host licensed server. Nowadays, everyone is using the same one. Okay. Now let us jump to the next question. What is a workspace? Generally, in Tosca, we will create some workspaces to build the test cases. Okay. So what is workspace? A workspace is a work environment where testers, we all will create, design, maintain, and execute the test cases. Means the workspace is the place where you will do your actual work. Being an automation tester, what is our role? Our role is to create, design, and maintain the test case. Everything we will put it in a workspace, guys. Okay. Next one. There is a note point. If you want to create any workspace, we will use create new option. Okay. For example, if you have any Tosca project, once you have opened the Tosca, there is an option called create new option. Okay. You need to click on that create new and create what type of workspace you want to create it. Okay. Next question. What are the types of workspaces we have in Tosca? If you tell the interviewer that we have used workspace, what is a workspace? Definitely they will ask what are the types of workspaces we have, right? Majorly, we have two types of workspaces. First one is single user workspace and multi-user workspace. In single user workspace, only one tester will be logged in at a time. If you are a single resource in the entire project, then you will go for the single user workspace. Now, if you are a multiple persons and you are working as a team player or you are working under a team, then go ahead and use the multi-user workspace. In our previous classes, I have clearly told you how to create the workspace and what is the workspace, what is that create new option. Please watch my previous videos in the same channel. Okay, next one. What are the types of repositories we have in Tosca? Okay, so this is a very unique question which is asked by rarest of the interview, where the toughest interview is there, right? Definitely you come across these kind of questions. Okay, so what are the types of repositories? Please don't confuse between workspace and repository. Repository is like your folder, main folder, where you store all your workspaces. Workspace is a place where you'll create your actual work. Mark the difference. So coming to the types of repositories, we have majorly couple of repositories, which is none. Okay, so none is used for single user workspace. We will discuss that in the next questions. Now, you just tell them we have none workspace. Next, Tricentis server repository. Tricentis itself is maintaining some servers, guys. Okay, next one is Oracle or Oracle. Okay, so it's a database provider where if you want to store your work, you will store it in the database, right? So that's why we have Oracle also. Next one, MySQL server. Okay, so it is a Microsoft database and DB2. Apart from Oracle and MySQL server, any other databases like Postgres, Teradata, or MS SQL server, you will go for the DB2. Okay, so this is how the types of repositories has been categorized in Tosca. The next question, which type of workspaces you have used in your project? Okay, so these all are previously asked questions, guys. So please try to get the answer and change your answer according to you. Means don't tell the same answer, just here and there, do some changes. That is a small suggestion from my end. Okay, which type of workspace you have used in your project? Okay, what the workspace you have used? Okay, we have used the multi-user workspace. In our project, we have 5 members. So if 5 members need to be parallelly worked, definitely we need to go for the multi-user workspace. Okay, every time make sure that either you have an experience, else you are showing the experience, then make sure that you have word called team. Okay, in our team we have 5 members, so that the interviewer will be convinced. Okay, multi-user workspace. Okay, since I'm a team player and more than one tester, so we have 5 testers, definitely we will need to go for the multi-user workspace. Okay, next one, which type of repositories you have used in your project? Okay, which type of workspace repositories you have used in workspace, right? So we have none, MS SQL Server, Oracle, and so on, right? Now, what is the type of repository you have used in your project? That is the question, guys. It is MS SQL Server, okay? Or you can also tell Tricentis Server repository, okay? So in our project, we are using MS SQL Server. You may use Tricentis Server repository. Don't tell two answers. Straight and forward. Tell MS SQL Server very confidently. Okay. Next question. What is checkout, checkout tree, check-in all, and update all? A very interesting and mandatory question, guys. Okay. Since you are working in multi-user workspace, you need to know what is this checkout, checkout tree, check-in all, and update all. I will give one example. For example, you're working in 5 members project, right? So one will update, one will delete, one will do the testing. So we need to have the communication between one tester to another tester. Why? Because in multi-user, we all are connecting to the same workspace, right? So now what is this checkout? Okay, simply remember, checkout means we are locking the folder. Okay, for example, if you want to work on the test case, right? So we need to check out the folder. Okay, now you want to check out the entire tree, then you will do the checkout tree. Simply remember, if you want to start work or build the test case in Tosca, we will use checkout. Okay, means to log the folder. Simply to log the test case or any sub test case or any subfolders, we will use checkout. If you want to check out the entire folder, then you will go for the checkout. Now, once you have done checkout, definitely you need to check in that, right? Means you need to save your work and you need to release your folder. Once you are locking, you need to unlock it, right? So that unlock will be done using check-in all. Okay. Finally, once you have done update all, what is this update all? This update all will update the entire test cases. I have done a clear video on checkout, checkout tree, check-in all, and update all. Please do watch that video. Then you will get a better understanding what exactly it is. Update all means you have locked the folder. Using checkout, you have locked the folder. Using checkout tree, you have locked entire folder structure or the folder, entire subfolders, and you have unlocked the folder. You have created some work, right? Definitely this work should be shown to other tester and it should be saved. For that purpose, we will do update all. A clear video is there. Please go and watch on. Now, what is checkout? By this one, checkout is to take the control of or log the folder. In a multi-user workspace, if you want to control the folder, then you will go for the checkout. Checkout tree is entire folders. Okay, not only one. For example, you have 10 test cases. You can check out one test case. Else you can test. You can take the control of entire 10 test cases. That is checkout. Check-in all means you have done. You have locked the folder, right? You need to unlock the folder. To release the control of the folder or to unlock it, we will use check-in all. Update all. In order to update the latest work to the repository, we will use the update all. To update the work for the other testers. Else, if you want to see the latest work, you will use this update all also. Okay, very interesting. Next one. What is a component folder in Tosca? Very, very important. Okay. Why? Because the Tosca is a non-coding tool, guys. We don't have any coding or any programming language. Since we don't write any programming language, we won't have any frameworks. Since we doesn't have framework, this question is very, very important. We will maintain a folder structure using component folder. Okay. Now they are asking what is a component folder. Okay. So component folder provide us the added flexibility and allow us to structurize the test case. Means if you want to structurize the test case, then you will create a component folder. Okay, I have clearly done a video and you can see it my channel. There I have clearly explained it. Please go ahead with that. Within the component folder, we create a subfolder for requirements, test cases, test planning, TCD, and execution. Means everything you will create a separate folders and you will maintain everything in a structurized way using component folder. A very, very important question. Okay. Next, note. There is a note point, guys. Component folder can be created at project root folder only. What is project root folder? How to create it? See my previous videos. I have explained it clear. Okay. The next question, let us jump to the next question. What programming language or the framework is used to build the Tosca or to build the test cases? Generally, as I told you, there is no programming language. It is a zero code automation tool. Okay. You are not writing any programming language, right? So that's why you will maintain the folder structure. See, no programming language. It is zero code automation tool. To structurize the project, we will use folder structures. Okay. Using component folders. Okay. Yeah. So I have ordered the questions. You get it. Next one. The next question. What is the first thing we will do once we have logged into the Tosca? Once you have logged into the Tosca, make sure that you have done update all. In order to get the latest work, which is done by the other testers in previous one, we will do update all. It's a very interesting question, guys. Once you have logged into Tosca, please do update all in order to get the latest code. Okay? Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. You will get these kind of videos. Please do subscribe to this channel and you can see more videos in upcoming videos, more classes and more questions. And we will do the scenario based questions also. Thank you so much for watching.